Welcome back from Graphic Extras. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to create abstract designs using Photoshop gradients and basically combining them across layers. Now I'm just going to go over to Photoshop, and you can do this in CC, CS6, etc. And I'm just going to select a gradient here. The gradients are from graphicextras.com. This website. There's 32,000 different gradients available on site, all by Graphic Extras, me. And just going to select one of those. Just select that one. And basically they have transparency, so they create a, in this one I'm using a radial design, and basically just I'm going to apply it on a layer, new layer. Just quickly drag that out a bit, and there's the basic design. Actually, I'm going to go for something slightly smaller than that. Actually, I'm just going to, don't want it that big, I'm just going to reduce it down. So that's the basic default design, and now I'm just going to select it. As you can see, I can move it around, put it over the text over there. Also, of course, using the Alt key, I can actually duplicate the design. And I can reduce it down, of course, just resize that a bit. Alt, and I'll just do that. Okay, at this point, I can go over to the layers. And I can select all of them, create that. And I'm just going to go to Layer, Group Layers. And now, use the same thing, the Alt. So I can build up quite a fairly unusual design quickly and simply. So I'm just going to select all those. I'm going to group those as well. Group layers. Okay, at that point I'm actually going to now reduce that down slightly down in size, and I'm just going to go to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters. Okay. Right, I can again, of course, move that, and I can duplicate that as well. I'm just going to quickly duplicate some of these. I can just continue duplicating them, and you can create obviously a nice sort of border design, very quick and simple. Also, once you've done Convert to Smart Filter, you can now, of course, distort them as well as blur them and all that. And I'm going to use the wave, so I can actually just distort it in many different ways. It's not the biggest of previews, unfortunately. Click OK, and you will see it's now distorted. And of course, I can continue now, and again duplicate that, duplicate that. Also, of course, I can rotate the design. It will go back to its original form without the actual smart filters applied. Click return, and you'll get the effect again just like that. And again, I can do Alt, drag that out, Alt, and again, all these have got the same smart filter, and I can go up to Filter and Distort, again, Wave or Zigzag. I can of course use either, and I can distort it again in other ways. So really stretch out the image, click OK. Now Alt again, and you can continue to create more and more abstract designs in Photoshop. And of course, at that point you can flatten, or you can apply other effects, maybe even layer effects, to create even weirder, unusual abstract designs from a basic gradient in very quick and easy ways.